Hello, country people. Banning of Igbo songs. Archbishop recalls suspended priests. Catholic Archbishop of Lagos, Alfred Adewale Martins, don't recall James Anelu from the suspension where them been given, say he ban Igbo song for him parish. Committee will look inside the matter, say then don't clear Anelu, say he no do anything like that. He no ban Igbo song, say nothing where they like that happen. If you just hear about this story, or you see waiting happen. Parish priest, Holy Trinity Catholic Church, Ewowa, Berigbe, where they inside Korodu, Lagos, na him them accused say he ban Igbo song for the church when mass they take place. This one make many people where be Catholic come provoke. Now Archbishop Martin been quickly write letter come sign up, say waiting the priest do no good. Say no be waiting Catholic people they do. He no dey their constitution at all. Now, Director of Social Communication Anthony Godon come release statement say after them don't investigate the matter well, many people don't look into and come join hand. Them find out say people where they post for social media now them put sugar inside the story say no be waiting happen then come they circulate. As it be, Father James don't dey back for him parish in assignment now. Make him come reconcile the church. All the people who don't provoke, make him bring them back by himself. Even though say in hand they clean, make him reconcile the church again. Oh. Make him let the people understand waiting in talk, not be waiting social media they talk. Anambra State don't release new burial law. I think say this one a good development. It be like say people inside Anambra don't they do competition for who go bury parts. Our burial must be better than yours. I don't hear some mama they yarn one time say this dead body they happy for the kind burial where then give them. You can imagine that. Anyway, this one I go read them for English, proper English. The new Anambra State burial law. The new Anambra State burial law. The aftermath of the killings during burial last week in Awka. I say 1. All burials, funeral ceremonies of indigenous deceased person must be registered with the town union of the deceased person. Registration fee is 1,500 naira. Number 2. No person must erect any billboard, banner, or poster of any kind of deceased person in the state. 100k fine or 6 months jail term or both for violation. Number 3. Persons are allowed to erect only directional posts such as the ones leading to the venue, must not be erected before 7 days to the burial date and must be removed not later than 7 days after the burial date. 100k fine or 6 months jail for people who violate. Before I go make a touch leg for Imo State, this one based on waiting they happen now. Not be only Imo State they happen, but I want use Imo State do example on to say now Imo State person will carry cry come meet us for our table. We all know say fuel scarcity day, those say it don't they stop. Okay, see waiting happen. AA Rano Filling Station where be saying Alhaji Awalu Abdullahi, Hausa man from Kano na Ingeta. Their filling station inside Owerri, they sell fuel 165 naira per litre. But other filling station inside Imo State, including Anambra, where be saying na Omo Ndi Igbo na didn't get them. Then they sell fuel 250 naira per litre. No be send them all of these people they buy petrol from. Tomorrow we go say federal government they marginalize us. Now we follow they do ourselves. Our problem now wickedness from governors, politicians, civil servants, public servant, professional, artisan, businessmen, down to traders where they inside market. Now we they marginalize ourselves. This one not be Hausa Fulani people. Now so it be. What do you think about this matter? Make you write them down. Make we see. Bye bye for now.